Hi everyone, this is Kim from KRWBIN, and today I wanted to talk about wearing synthetic wigs at the beach. So I did a video a couple of weeks ago. It's further down on my TikTok and it's also on my YouTube page. And by the way, join me on my YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube. You can, or any of my social media, you can find me using KRWBIN. You can do a search and you will find my Instagram, my YouTube, my TikTok, all my social media. So join me on there. But I did a video on wearing synthetic hair to the beach or on vacation. So we're at the beach and we're here in Florida and it is hot, and on top of heat you have humidity. So a lot of times ladies are wearing their human hair on vacation, and that's cool sometimes. If you're going out or you want to go to a function or you're going to go to the club or a nice restaurant, then yes, by all means wear your human hair wigs when you're on vacation. However, if you are in Florida, I talk about this, and I'll probably always talk about it because I live in Florida and we have high humidity. If you are wearing human hair wigs or even your own human hair in Florida at the beach, in the heat and the humidity, your hair is the curls are gonna drop if you have it curly. It's gonna frizz. Even if you have frizz control on it, what it's gonna do is the moisture from the humidity and the beach salt water and the beach air, and like the wind is blowing out here now and the blowing sand, all of that is going to get mixed in with your frizz control spray. So even if you wear human hair with frizz control spray, you're still going to have all the elements flying around and compacting. We're at St. Pete Beach today, but we went to Clearwater Beach a couple of weeks ago and it was a mess. I'm telling you, the winds was blowing so hard off the beach water that, oh my God, I had dirt in my ears, dirt in my hair. It was a mess. It was a total mess. So that's one of the reasons why I am a proponent of beauty supply store wigs or synthetic wigs or human hair blended wigs, because you can have a lot more stability. And if you want to wear straight in a synthetic, you can wear straight. This is a wavy synthetic. Some of the ladies, when they go on vacation, they like to get their hair braided or crocheted, and that's fine. But then some of us want to wear like a hair look, a certain look, and we don't want to wear braids when we go to the beach. So definitely find yourself some kind of synthetic wig or something. And I know they don't last long. I totally understand, but when you're on vacation for a short amount of time. So I'd rather spend $20, $30 on synthetic, look fabulous my whole entire vacation, and not have to deal with sand and dirt and wind damage. So I brought some other examples to the beach. Hold on while I dig those out. And I should have brought my brush, but I didn't. So say you want to wear, this is my little band, you want to wear something with a little curl. This is something that looks natural, even though it's synthetic. You can wear this out in the humidity and the curls are going to stay. You're not going to have a problem with the curls. Or if you like crochets or a braided wig and you don't want the heaviness on your scalp, you can opt for a crochet wig. Let me get this out. Now this one I made. So yes, you can have yourself a crochet wig. And yes, I wear all of these. If you look back at like any of my past videos, you'll see a lot of videos with me wearing this crochet wig because it has a lace part. So I love wearing this thing, and it's red and it's black. And then I also have this wig, and I have this one in like an orangey color. So yes, you definitely want to have different options when it comes to going out. You don't have to, one thing about synthetic is you don't have to stick to I'm already sweating. You don't have to stick to wearing the same look. Now, if you want to wear the same look because you want that natural look, then by all means, once again, wear your $300, $400, $500 human hair. But please be mindful, it is going to react like human hair. You're going to have problems, and unless you know how to style it, blow dry it, because basically if you come to the beach, especially here in Florida with the heat, the humidity, and the sand blowing around, when you leave the beach in your human hair, you are going to have to shampoo that. So you'll be in a hotel, your Airbnb or whatever, you're going to have to shampoo that, and then you got to blow dry it, and then you got to curl it all over again. So for me, when I go on vacation, I just want to chill and look fabulous and sightsee and take all my pictures and video and not have to deal with trying to style any kind of hair. So I'm going to head out. Once again, you can shop with us at www.krwbin. And let me give you a little view of the beach. So yes, a little view of the beach there. Let's see how that wind is blowing. So imagine that wind blowing and you add salt and humidity to that. So yes, have different kind of wigs. Don't just subject yourself to one type of wig and then be mad after your vacation because you spent $300 on hair that got ruined. So